Los Angeles County, September 1, 2022. The rapid spread of root fire in Los Angeles County need to serve as a warning for the coming days. A top fire official issued a warning after a wildfire burning in Los Angeles County exploded to more than 5,300 acres in less than 48 hours, saying the rapid expansion should serve as a wake-up call to neighbors. The root fire had spread to 5,100 acres by Thursday and was 0% contained since it was initially reported just after noon on September 1 along the motorway close to Lake Hughes Road. According to LA County Fire Inspector Craig Little, 115 U.S. Forest Service firefighters, 115 county firefighters, 8 air tankers, and 7 helicopters were all assigned to the incident. The way the fire behaved and what you saw yesterday should serve as a warning to everyone about the danger we could be in over the next few days due to the fire conditions, the fire's quick growth, and the fire's explosive behavior. According to California's wildfire tracking website, the wildfire had around 27% containment as of Thursday night. Although some lanes are still closed, I-5 was restored in both directions on Thursday afternoon. A number of evacuation orders were given out on Wednesday, but they were all revoked by Thursday night. The fire broke out when the area was experiencing a scorching heat wave, prompting California Governor Gavin Newsom to declare a state of emergency.